Hey everybody. Uh, this is a fantastic arpeggio work. That is just one of my favorite combinations and so useful. Um, so anyway, I hope you really enjoy it. We're gonna go tapado first just to learn the pattern, okay? So what I would recommend here is that you start with your thumb, index, middle, and ring all on the bottom four strings. Okay, just have them there and just kind of, okay, feel that, know that. Now I just want you to take your three fingers and move them all up one string. Lay them there so they're on the fourth, third, and second. Now move those three fingers one more time up to the top three strings. So they're on the third, second, and first. Okay? Then move them back one string back, and now you should be where we started. That is the pattern. Okay, so you go up, you ascend in pitch. Okay, ascend up, and then once you get up to the top, you descend like that. So you go boom, 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 boom. But your thumb, excuse me, stays where it is. Um, so then it's just about peeling. Okay, so it's putting your fingers there, going. All right, so with all the quick study work that hopefully you've watched and garnered a whole bunch of information from, and then with past workouts you should be doing really well with arpeggios. But this is very important, yeah, that inverted V, that TP, okay? Go watch that other material, okay? So the pattern. Okay, 76. 1, 2, 3. I counted 3. I'm sorry. I should have counted a 4. You can count this in 3, 4, or 4, 4. I wrote it out for you in 4, 4, so I should have counted a 4. My apologies. My apologies. All right. Enjoy the work. Let me know what questions you have. All right.